store unit on focus. Okay, so unit component. So when unit component is clicked, store unit focus unit on focus. So where's my store script? I haven't made it. There's okay. Import driver. Okay. Const unit on focus equals writable empty string. Okay, unit on focus and export it. So unit on focus is a writable that is a string, and we only have to store the ID of the unit. So it can actually be a number actually. So 0. Right, it's alright. So it can just be number. So this is good. Unit on focus. So unit component, when it's clicked, unit on focus set this LID. So when it is clicked, it's gonna give the unit ID to the store. So I haven't defined the ID. Well, I haven't given the ID to this unit, so I'm just gonna unit component give an ID equal to unit ID, and then unit is made where this could be new unit class and actor, and give the data to the object. It's giving the position. After position. Actor is possibly null. Actor wouldn't have the position property. You are right. So the constructor, it's alright. Constructor would only need these parameters, then I would just change that. Okay, so I would just create a and unit position, set it to initial position. Yeah, just gonna do that. Oh, I see. So this is not right. This is just TypeScript. So unit is created, and unit has the position, and units is assigned. And for units, this it's doing end unit and ID. Okay, so let's fix this unit component and remove this find path feature and move this path and here. So this would only be marked when I click this guy. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, right. Click. Oh, he can't move. When that happens, we can't really do tests. Yes, so he can move this, and it will give me the tile ID. So okay, now I'm ready. Unit store as well. Yeah, why not? Is a store, and units is a store. Animate unit function. Okay, so now I click this tile, so we should know what tile was clicked and which character or unit is on focus, so we know what to do. Clicked. Okay, so units is a store. Let's make the stage do this actually. So let me send a message to stage. Okay. Stage move unit function. Okay, and the tile ID unit ID move unit tile ID. I just need this, right? And include stage. So move unit, and let's go move unit tile ID. Just gonna, well, instead of making the focused unit store, I'm just gonna save it here on unit on focus. Focus, not boolean, but it's a string. Oh no, maybe. Let's null it. Constructor. Stage make. Well, I mean, update the property of the object. Stage is updated. Stage on unit on focus is set. Stage avail path. Is path. Let's go back to, okay. Array path. Is path defined at all? Maybe not. Path is an array. Just say any for now. Path, and this path is empty array, and path is defined. So move unit tile ID would able to move the unit. Okay, so get the tile, get the path, is this path find path. Eventually the tile ID equals to tile ID, right? path style ID is if the same as style ID, then return the path. Okay, so we know the path, we know the destination, and we know the unit on focus. No, just subscribe it then. Units in stage. It's units in stage. Find unit ID equals to this unit on focus. Unit on focus. Unit on focus. So path would have path, right? Or what is it? For each movement, okay, so I will just do path. Okay, so it's got the action movement, and which case MF case down right, case down left. So we have those options, right? And if turn right, let L is target L, unit L is document get element by ID, unit ID. Yep. Unit L set attribute. So assigning the animation via a frame, that's animation. Then I remember we were able to name the animations, right? Yeah, name animation. Okay, so for a lot of animations, I'm just gonna number them. Animation I, property is rotation, and I see. I'm just gonna start with the number that I know. Duration 500, yeah. Using linear, and the most importantly 2 is 0 something, y rotation 0. 0 y rotation 0, right? So it should be string. Hey. It should be a string, and it's failing something somewhere. And y rotation is what? So y rotation is, do I know which way this guy is facing? No. So we just should get the rotation from this guy. Okay, so is unit L, get attribute rotation and Y, and turning right with plus maybe. The delay is actually 500 times I. We can stack the animation. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for turn left and hope the rotation direction that I'm doing is right. I'm not really sure if it's going this way or that way. Variable. And variable. So that's good. Moving forward, we'd set the attribute, and property is position, and duration of linear 2. This is actually easier. So 2 should be the end position of the path, right? Delay stack. So I'm not really thinking, well, no, I am thinking about the height because the end position is taken by the tile information. So this should actually do, that's what's that. This is a move unit function, right? So when the tile is clicked, move unit function is called, and then we can stack animation. So it should move the whole thing. Except I have some typo somewhere. Is move unit being called ever? Called. Yes, move unit is called. Maybe not called. Tile ID is not defined. Ooh, tile ID is this ID. Come on. And it should be updated. Where are you? Okay, so marked. So move unit is called moving forward, but why is it? It should give you an ID, and didn't I do that? No, I didn't. Okay, this an ID, it cannot be a number because we don't know how many units are there yet. So creating an unit actually should take a number. ID is an ID. I should just give him a number 0. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it again. Oh, okay, sorry. Always click. So focus unit set, animation set. No, it didn't. Execute. Set attribute on element position is not a valid attribute name. Interesting. So these don't need these because these are texts. A-frame. Is it like A-frame, like unique to A-frame? Because this is, well, I consider this is very unique, like to an A-frame to handle these data not as an object but as a string. But that makes it also easier because you can just type in an HTML and then it will interpret everything as some parameters. So this is it. Okay, let's do it again. So, and then move forward. Yes, it's looping. And position is somewhat so different. It's rotating. Tuning. So it's giving me some rotation. So it's kind of working. It's adding the animation and it's playing. So that's good. But that's not the animation that I want. 2 was wrong. Let's move forward. Bingo. Let's move forward. Bingo. Let's move forward. Bingo. Okay. So okay, I think it just did it, right? It just did a good thing. Let's go to this guy. So from was always set to the original position. Well, no. Oh, okay. So we should set the from properly as well. Do you think turning would work? All right, so I think I just made the wrong turn. So rotation minus and plus is just too tricky. Can't really figure it out. Hey, where are you? So this guy would like to go this. Douche. Right. Every time they complete the animation, it should erase itself. Erase the animation by itself. This add event listener animation complete. Completed or something. Let's go to documentation. What animations? Events. Animation complete. What is animation complete if animation has an ID? Event detail contains name of animation. Okay, so name. Let's see what you have. It's only a time that this animation complete was called, but not the name. Well, it didn't really return the name. It gave me the event and detail name, which has the name. Okay, so event. It's just gonna give me an event. And event detail name is an animation event, right? So how do you detach the animation? remove attribute. Event detail name. So that would reset after the animation is played. Okay, let's do one more time. Come on. Why did you move forward? Didn't I reload it? Where are you? Okay. Click. Where did you go? Why did you go? Why didn't you come here? What heck? What the heck is happening? Did the animation ever finish? What's going on? Like, why is